This statement was first appeared on a wall in Derry, and it's a chilling statement when you read through from this supposed new wing of the Irish Republican Army.
It's chilling would be a good word. It's chilling, first and foremost, that you would think that these people seem to appear that they have some sort of reason to be doing what they're doing and using the veil of political struggle as a kind of a cause for gunning people down and shooting people in front of children. Detective Chief Inspector Caldwell was training football teams last week. Chilling also where they say we have an understanding of their term out-of-bounds movements of what they call Crown forces, and that really they're saying that any time or day that the real IRA, as they're calling themselves, or the Irish Republican Army, as they're calling themselves, can strike at any time. It's kind of shocking, would be the term, but I think you would look at the thousands of people who came out in Omagh over the weekend and had a vigil for Mr. Caldwell, where they were saying no going back, and that is certainly a theme that people are saying
and
from Tyrone.
It was across the party. It was like everyone. The people that came out, it wasn't like... It's been really important to see the leaders of the parties being like, we're all together in this and condemning this attack that's trying to bring people back decades.
Totally, but also these are just criminal scumbags, on a very basic level. And I think what's interesting as well, though, is how quickly the PSNI have been able to get people in for questioning. So
there's six men and remaining in custody at the moment.
Yes.
But like to say that the Irish Republican Army intelligence are now in possession of security information regarding the out-of-bounds movement of Crown Force personnel. It's like they know where you're going to be.
Well, certainly that's what they're trying to imply by it, and that they're trying to strike fear, perhaps, in the people who are working within the PSNI to say that we can strike at any time. But there is that piece where the PSNI have arrested the 6 people. I think they're ranging in the age from early 20s to early 70s, and that you would hope that the people who have been who are behind this terrible crime are found pretty quickly, and that we get a court case.
Of course, we're in London today. Ursula von der Leyen is meeting with Rishi Sunak. This is going to be on the Northern Ireland Protocol, and we're hoping that there is going to be some sort of movement forward in that, although the DUP have signalled that they are not going to like whatever deal is signed, unsurprisingly.
Yeah, well, they had their 7 asks or 7 questions or 7 demands, and then they suddenly added an 8th. So, you don't really know what the DUP and what it's going to be like. Certainly the Irish Times is of the view that there is going to be a deal today, that von der Leyen and Sunak are meeting in...
They're not going to meet unless there's something solid.
No, and a lot of this was... it's thought that actually a deal was knocked out
last week, and she cancelled her meeting to come over to London,
Yeah, precisely, and that really that actually Sunak has a political job to do in London, getting people on side to support him, that he has the ERG and they are the hardline Eurosceptics, and he's trying to bring them along with them.
And Boris is going to support it because he likes to do this. Also, we're coming up on 25 years of the Good Friday Agreement.
Yes.
And a new IRA kicking off like this. Like, it's all the way it's timed.
Well, like the Omagh bombing was in 1998, for example, and this, again, murder or this attempted murder happened in Omagh, and you can be certainly sure that the people of Omagh have no appetite to be going back to the Troubles.